Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Sign into iCloud using your Apple ID in Settings, connect the iPad to a reliable Wi-Fi network, and plug it into power so processes don't pause. Once done, tap your name, then iCloud to see available storage. You may need to upgrade to a larger plan if your device storage exceeds free space. Now enable iCloud Backup and toggle it on to create a current device snapshot. This ensures you can safely remove local files later. Now make iCloud your primary storage location. Enable iCloud Photos and choose Optimize iPad Storage so originals upload and smaller versions stay local. Next, open the Files app, go to On My iPad, and drag folders into iCloud Drive. This uploads content and frees local space. Then review individual app settings under Settings your name iCloud, and toggle each relevant app to use iCloud for documents and data, so files sync automatically across devices rather than residing only on the Finish by verifying all uploads completed. Check status in Photos and Files to avoid accidental deletion. Once confirmed, remove local originals or large app caches via Settings General iPad Storage to reclaim space. Keep at least one recent iCloud backup. If something goes wrong, restart the iPad, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and reconfirm Wi-Fi and iCloud storage availability. These steps fix most sync errors. If issues persist, temporarily toggle iCloud features off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.